Welcome to Empathy at the Heart of Connection. Empathy, I see through your eyes, I feel through your heart. Why empathy is important. Research has found that empathic concern and perspective taken are closely related to trust, comfort, and closeness in committed relationships, factors that enhance quality and promote relationship satisfaction. We feel connected when our partner responds with empathy, and we are more likely to open up and speak the vulnerable language. The attributes of empathy. Theresa Weissman is an English scholar who works at the University of Southampton on empathy research. According to her, empathy has 4 attributes. 1. Staying out of judgment. 2. Perspective taken. 3. Identify an emotion. 4. Communicate that emotion. Empathizing does not require that you have lived a similar experience. All you need is to relate to your partner's emotions, struggles, and concerns. It is therefore crucial to understand what those concerns are. So take the time to ask yourself the following questions. Have I ever felt that way? And what was that like for me?